Welcome back to All About Food. If you're new here, hello, I'm Christie.
For today's video, we are going to make macaroni salad. We need 400 grams macaroni salad pasta, 150 grams cooked ham, half a cup shredded chicken, 1/4 cup pickled relish, 1/4 cup minced onion, salt according to your taste, a dash of white pepper, half a cup all-purpose cream, 500 grams Kewpie mayonnaise or more if you like, 3 tablespoons olive oil, half a bar of grated Eden cheese, spoon, cheese grater, boil the macaroni, drain, and put 3 tablespoons of olive oil and set it aside. Mix it well. Add the all-purpose cream and mix it well. Add the Kewpie mayonnaise and mix it well. Mix the shredded chicken and cooked ham. Mix the pickles and minced red onions. A dash of white pepper, salt according to your taste, mix it well. Add mayonnaise and grated cheese and mix it well. For macaroni salad ingredients, please follow me on Instagram. To learn more recipes, please join my Facebook group. If you'd like me to be a culinary trainer, please see the description below. There you have it, macaroni salad.
Thank you very much to all my subscribers. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing to my channel if you're new here. Hit the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I post a new video. Have a great day. Thank you for watching.